Hi guys, and welcome to Fix Market Strategy. I hope all of you guys having a great day and you have made lots of money and you're able to take some profit. Or if you are trading long term, you should be okay, I guess. Okay, so today we're gonna look at some of the cryptocurrencies. Let's jump right here first in the coin market cap, see what's going on. Okay, so quickly we're gonna switch our screen to coin market cap right there. So basically, the Bitcoin for the last 7 days, 1.7% up, but it's 1.66 down for the day. So basically, it has been ranging, okay? Because the last 7 days there is no big movement, and also today is a little bit 2% down, is a small correction down, but nothing major. On the other side, Ethereum is beating Bitcoin big time. We have discussed this excessively, okay? We're gonna go back to trading view and just discuss what's going on right here, why the Bitcoin is holding itself in the same area and the Ethereum is actually rising. Okay, so please bear with me. Okay, so we are going back right here to this chart. Okay, so that's Doge coin. We're gonna leave it for a second. So we're gonna go to BTC USD over ETH USD. Okay, that's actually the Ethereum. We're gonna go to the weekly chart just to make things really we're just fixing the scale right here. Okay, so that's the weekly chart. Okay, you know what, we can even go to the monthly chart, it doesn't matter, just make it. So that's the Bitcoin dividing the Ethereum. Okay, if you did, okay, that's 2015. At that time, one Bitcoin in this month, in October 2015, one Bitcoin could buy 635 Ethereum. Okay, guys, one Bitcoin could buy 635. Okay, after this big run, the Bitcoin, we know it did go down. So let's see what happened. Right here in this date, December 2016, one Bitcoin can buy 132 Ethereum. Okay, just remember these numbers. Okay, then right here, okay, not too far away from now, it's only September 2019, one Bitcoin can buy 61 Ethereum. Okay, today one Bitcoin can buy only 14 Ethereum. It's coming back to this support level right there. This is the lowest. One Bitcoin could buy only 6 Ethereum. Okay, guys. So looks like we're gonna continue to go this direction down. The question is, are we going to break below this number, or we're gonna bounce from here? I do believe we're going to break and we're gonna go down. Okay. Why I do believe this? Why I do expect this to happen? Let's look right here. Okay, we're still right here. Okay, good. So we're just gonna go to market cryptocurrency coin market cap right here. I mean market cap, and look here what's going on. That's the total crypto market cap and volume. That's total. Okay, guys. Just see where is these things are going. We're gonna go to the monthly. The crypto right there, only to here. Let's move this up a little bit. The market capitalization in October 2020, which is not too far away from now. Okay, only 6 months away from now, was 343 billion. Okay, right now, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months is straight up, very strong bull, all the way up to 2.4 trillion. Okay, so the market multiplied by about 6 times or so. exactly 6 times. Okay, guys. So the market cap multiplied 6 times in 6 months. That's the first time to see something like this in history. Some kind of market multiplied by that much amount in very little time. That's impressive. That's impressive. Okay, is this trend is going to continue or just a balloon and is gonna burst? This will come back to the real foundation of the crypto utility and service it will serve and help civilization with. If this comes to be something really useful, like the internet back in the days, or when they discover electricity, when they discover natural gas, okay? If this end up being helping the humanity and civilization in the long run, this trend is just started, okay? But if this is not gonna help, then this trend is gonna die, okay? So right now, this is motivated by public behavior, and everybody like fear of missing out on the trade. I heard my neighbor did buy that much money, and he multiplied by 100 times, and he bought $100, and he made $2,000 out of it, and this guy and this girl and stuff like that. So everybody's trying to buy because he doesn't want to be like the leftover one who didn't invest in crypto. After we finish with this, we have to come back to the true value of the crypto coins we do carry. Is it actually going to help civilization? Is it going to be something really in the everyday life we're going to use, like smart contract? If you have an insurance between you and a company and you use a smart contract, and that's going to be something in daily basis in everything in our life, yeah, Ethereum is going to continue to be crazy, going up, right? So just to give you an idea where we used to be and where we're going from 6 months ago to now, that never happened. That's crazy, okay? So that's the first one. Okay, so we were right here, down here, guys, and we did go up right there. Okay, just switch the screen right here. Just see this one. Okay, so we used to be here. Okay, guys, we used to be here in October 2020, and we are right here now. That's the crypto total market cap per 1 million. So it used to be 343 billion. Right now it's 2.4 trillion. So it multiplied 6 times. So crypto market cap, okay, so it's multiplied 6 times. Okay, it's almost in 6-7 months, and that's very, very impressive. Okay, and we said if this is going to help humanity and civilization in the long term, it's gonna come back to the true value of it. This trend is just started and it's gonna continue, possibly to 5 trillion, 10 trillion, 15 trillion in the long run. And everybody in the future is gonna be actually having a wallet, like everyone does have a bank account like us. Everybody's going to have a wallet, and everybody is gonna be using the crypto in the long run as for services and for actually value, store value. Okay. If this is going to be the case, then we can see this something like starting like the Dow Jones 100 years ago and keep going to be the money actually is moving here from everything else is moving here. If this is going to be the case, okay? So that's total. Okay, guys, that's total right there. Okay. Okay, if we go right here, that's 250 billion. Right now, we're 1.3 trillion. It's increasing really strong. Okay, and that is the total market cap dominance percentage. The Bitcoin used to be taking 73 of the market cap, okay, and right now it's taking only 45. Let me explain this to you because this is a little bit complicated, okay? So just please give me 1 second here. So I'm just gonna switch the screen right now to right there. Just bear with me a second. Right here. Okay. What does it mean? The percentage of the Bitcoin used to be 70 and now 30, but the price of the Bitcoin is actually going up. Okay, let me explain this to you. Okay. So that's the first case about 6-7 months ago. That's the total market cap. Okay, guys, let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, right here. So what this is that's total market cap. That's for all cryptos. Okay, and let's say that's 6 months ago. Okay, that's total. What is the Bitcoin? That's the Bitcoin right there. So Bitcoin, it used to be 70% of this game. Okay? So Bitcoin used to be 70%. And Ethereum and everything else was something small like this. You know, all the other ones were just small stuff. Put them in different colors. Okay? Dogecoin, everything you name it, was very small. Okay? Bitcoin price right there, let's say, I'm not gonna go back to the chart, I'm just gonna give a number, let's say was only 15K. That's BTC price. Okay? And it was 70% of total market cap. It means people were only investing in the Bitcoin and very little people were investing in something else. Let's see what happened 6 months after. So that's 6 months later. Is now. Okay. The total market cap right there increased by 6 times, 600%. Okay, so the total market cap increased by 6 times. So what does it mean? This balloon, this one right here, it did become bigger 6 times what used to be. Okay, imagine this became 6 times bigger. But the trick is Bitcoin did multiply only by 2 times. So Bitcoin became that big only. So Bitcoin is only right now taking 45%, okay, of total market cap. However, the price of the Bitcoin did increase. The price of the Bitcoin used to be 15%. Right now, it's, let's say, 57K. So the price of the Bitcoin increased and the market cap of the Bitcoin increased, but the other ones like Ethereum and the other ones did increase by like 5, 6, 7 times, 10 times more than what they used to be. So this means investors are shifting their investment from actually taking Bitcoin to take something else. Okay, you can see the other ones are getting really big. Okay, this way, you can understand those graphs trading view supplying us, which is amazing from trading view to supply these graphs. Okay. So I hope this makes sense. If you would like to take a screenshot from these ones, I think is very well. And if you do have any question, please, you can share it with us right here. Okay, guys, there was no screen, so how come it didn't? Okay, let me check this one. Okay, I don't know if the screen shown now or not, but this is the drawing I was discussing with you guys. Okay. Yeah, it's good right here. It's shown. Okay. So perfect. Sorry, let's get back to it right here. So back to this. Okay. So total marks. Thank you for those who are patient. I didn't see the message. Okay. I probably should move it to my other screen so I can be able to see your message. Just 1 second right here. Okay, just 1 second, please. I'll just take this, put it on my other screen so I can follow up with the messages. Okay, now I can see the message. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go back. Okay, this is just from TradingView software. I want to use the Windows. I was able to share this, but the drawing was not shown. So this from TradingView software. Okay. But right now I'm using the entire window, so I'm just showing my full screen. So right now you can see the taskbar, you can see everything around, not only the window. Okay. Anyway, this maybe I'll be sending a message to TradingView about it or something. So let's bring this back again, guys. Thank you for being patient. Thank you. So total market cap 6 months ago was this circle. Just focus on the left side, okay? Bitcoin was 70%, and the other ones are like this. Okay, 70% of the total market cap was for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin price was 15K, and that's 6 months ago. Total market cap. 6 months ahead, which is right now, 6 months later, which is now, the Bitcoin price is 57%, and the Bitcoin market cap did increase. But actually, the total market cap did increase by 6 times. So the Bitcoin only did increase by double right there, or a little bit more than double, but the total market cap did increase by 6 times. So the investors, instead of going to buy Bitcoin to keep the 70% percentage, they were buying other stuff. So other things were actually growing in a faster pace, okay, and faster speed than the Bitcoin. So the new money was injected to new coins. Okay, so that's why you see Ethereum is going like crazy, up, up, up. Okay, guys, I hope this makes sense. Okay, so that's what we were explaining, and the screen was green. Okay, so if you would like to take a screenshot of it or something, it's probably cool. Okay, so let's go back right there. Yeah. Okay, I have to come back here and go like this and just, sorry, I have to see what I'm doing here. Okay, just 1 second right here. I have to. Thanks, Spence. Okay, great. Thank you. I'm happy it's clear. You want Binance USD, huh? Okay, so we do have a question here from Deb. Diba. Okay. So it's asking about big BUSD. So right here in the 4-hour time frame, you can see it did make a high. This was able to run away from the versions right here. So this move was really good from here to there. And you can see this was reflected also in the MACD. You're making new high in the MACD. So the momentum was continue to go up. Then after this, start to go through a correction. Okay, so you can see the strength of the correction if you even measure from here. That was only 50% correction. Okay, then it did go above 23, then it's coming back, making a higher high. Okay, guys, so that's making a higher high. The MACD is still pointing down in the 4-hour time frame. If we jump to the 1-hour time frame, see right here was a correction, so it'd be an area probably to take profit. See, to take profit, and you just wait, stay a little bit. But the MACD right here, if you look at the MACD by itself, it looks good. However, it's making a correction, but actually you can see it's making new highs right there. Okay, so it's continued to go up. What could happen? It could reverse either from here, continuously start to going up from here. Okay, so that's one option. The second option, this can come down a little bit to get this trend line from the MACD, then go up. So either way, I would hold it, especially the price is not too expensive, and only did make a correction to the 50%, and it did hold it so far. So I would keep it. I would hold it. I will not sell any crypto. So if you are holding it, I would continue to hold it. Okay, and I don't recommend anyone to trade crypto with leverage. The market is so volatile enough that you can actually make good money just from the real trading and actually holding crypto. I think these are good opportunities. Don't waste it, and don't jump quickly to trade safely. Okay. So this, we still can see a strong up move here. Okay, the second question is for you could be, okay, what is my next target? Okay. So if we do close this one, and if we take our fib extension right there from here. So this right here is very, very important. We don't break the $5. That's a very strong support. It represents the 50% fib level. Okay, and right now is making higher high. As long as it does continue to bounce from here, it doesn't come down. So the next target you could be, first target you could be 9.5 right here. Okay, that's first target. Second target will be the 78, and the full target, of course, is going to be at the $12 right there. Okay. So when we lay these ones, those are, you can reach target 1 and bounce back, or target 2. Okay. We can publish this one. Okay, so we are done with this one. If the cryptocurrency is going to help civilization and humanity over a long time, these things are going to increase big time. Okay, especially the useful ones. Just try to make sure that you are buying with a good company. They do have a project. Okay. Okay, sorry about the screen stuff. Okay, Dogecoin. If you guys do remember, we have bought the 65 target, a second target right here. That was the first scenario right here. We said that's first target, second target at right here. It did take both targets. We had another one here. Also this one. See, we highlighted only up to 65, guys. See that? That's TB1, TB2. Why is this? Because it needed a little bit of correction when it reached this level, and that's what actually happened. Right there. See that? After it did take profit 2, it started to go to 75. It can't. It needs more momentum. So those buyers need to sell to make, you know, a double correction or something right here. Then after this finish, we tested this high again. So see that this high has been tested exactly right there. See, I just where I put the at the 60 right there, right there. Let's go back to the, we can't see this chart. Okay, let's just see the other screen right here. Just 1 second. Right there. Okay, guys, so we'll jump to this screen right here. So that was a previous one, previous analysis. We said TP1 right here, and that's, see, exactly from the point start to go up. Exactly. Copy. I'm gonna share with you guys right here. You can check it out. Just 1 second, put in the chat here. Okay. So if you can see right here, there was no drawdown. Once we get in this one, the price continuously starts shooting up. We highlighted this one as TB1, and you can start some correction start to happen here. And this did work as actually as a support. You can see this, the price did come to test it, did come to test it, did come here, break it, did go back to test it. See that? So this level, which was 55, did work as a support to resistance level, very, very important. And the second target was put very clear at the 0.65. What does it say here? Because everybody was talking about the one target, right? I said 0.65 target, not one this time. Next time, yes. Okay. So I hope this message is clear. So what's going next? What's going to happen next? Okay, let's just go back to our main screen right here. Sorry that. Okay. Okay, that was very important right there. See, guys, we had the divergence right here. Where the price is going actually up right here, the MACD was pointing down. See, the MACD was pointing down right there. And that was a needed correction right there. Needed correction, okay? MACD divergence almost like 99% or 95% of the time accurate, okay? Very, very accurate leading indicator, not lagging indicator, okay? So that was a correction. How much this correction can fall to, okay? So we're just gonna possibly if you take the answer from the MACD, it's gonna come all the way down to here. So this move, it could be going one wave down. Okay, if we take the answer from the Fibo levels, let's see what could happen. If we take this from here, full wave, it did test the 50 level. Okay, which is the same high right here. See that? I don't like this middle color. Let's go straight. See, guys? Just to highlight it, make it clear. See this level right here? This was the same resistance right here and same resistance right here. So this used to be resistance, okay? Resistance. Now it turned to be support. There is two scenarios right now. The first one, this may come down to test this once more and go up. Or it can even go further down to the 6-1 level, which is right there, and go up, okay? Or actually, if we get more buyers to just keep pushing this up here, this can just keep moving up from here. So those are the three potential ones for the bull run to continue, okay? As long as big holders of Dogecoin, those who have 75% of it are not going to dump it all at once, then it's going to continue, okay? So one number to watch right now is the 0.42. So this number needs to watch, very, very important. Okay, 0.42. If it does happen and continue coming down, the second one is going to be 0.33 or 0.35. Okay, so those two numbers need also to watch. Okay. Okay, thanks, John, for your support. Okay, look at the SOL. In the MACD right here, you have a good buy. In the MACD, you have an ABCD formation. Okay, correction formation, the ABCD. See what happened right here? You have an A, B, B, C, C, D. Possibly this is finished, and now we can continue another up run to the upside. Okay. So that was the previous forecast of SOL, guys. You can see right here, we did forecast to this level, the 41. It did take it, and it did work as a support right here. See, first, if you focus a little bit more, here. Oh, I didn't mean to do this. Okay. And this forecast is going right here, exactly from here, from 23 to 41. So see how much this is. Okay, it's double, right? So we expected this to continue going up to 41. See this 41 level? It did work as a resistance right here. It did hit the 41 exactly. See this? You guys, you can see that, right? Let's make it bigger. See, it did hit the 41 exactly right there. Then it did make a big correction. So it did work as a resistance, and the target was taken. After this, it did come through a correction. It did break this resistance. It did test it again to be a support. Test 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. It's been holding steadily above this one. As long as we don't break below this one, then we may continue have another run 62% more. Okay. So you can see the target, the signal was given right on the right time. With the second candle after the signal, right, you're in the money. See that? Or the second, like one candle down, the second one is like bang. Okay. So that was good signal. Right now is having a time correction, just having a correction over time, but no price correction. So the price is not actually going down. You can see only the time consumed. Okay, so only the time is. It means more people are still holding their assets. They are not selling it. Okay, so more people are holding, and that's or more buyers are coming in. That's why it has been ranging only in this area. Okay, if this is broken above 50, you can see also the 50 is a psychological number. We talked about this before. So the next target I would be thinking about is 65, a little bit less than 65. Then the ultimate target right there is going to be 70, okay? But one condition we have to apply here, we don't break this level. So this level we must stay above. If this is broken to the downside, then we can have a deep correction, okay? And this correction could go down all the way down here to 29. It doesn't have to reach the 29, but it could technically, okay? So I'm just going to take this so you can see the screen more. So far, as long as we are supported by this level, which seems to be is going to be supported really good, because make it bigger, you can see this has been tested. First, it was a resistance, right? It did break. It did come to retest, so it became a support. Did try again. It didn't reach this high, so it need more buyers. It did fall down. This support, it did hold it for the second time. It did go up. It did break this high, but there was no enough momentum to take it to the upside, so it did bounce back. But the support was able to hold it for the third time. It did go up. It didn't break this high, so it did come back, but the support was able to hold it for the first time. Okay, so right now it's trying again. Is it going to break this one right here and just shoot up to 65, or is gonna bounce back to test this one? Then after test this one, either it's gonna go up or down. So these are the possible scenarios and the technical explanation of what happened and what could potentially happen. Okay, I hope the best for all of you guys, and I'm gonna have to go now. I can't see this. Yes, we did cover the Doge coin a while ago. Okay. You can see it's making an ABCD correction right there. After this big move, first of all, you need to check how much correction is this one. It did come to the 61 level exactly, okay? As long as it's above this level, it's good. It's a buy. So your support strong one is a $10. As long as it doesn't go below $10, you're good, okay? So $10 is good. Support very strong, which is a 62 level. Okay. The second level is going to continue to test. This is probably the 23, because all of this fall in the arc, guys. We discussed this last time. If you watch, okay. If you guys do remember, we discussed the arc pattern. Arc pattern is when the price will go up like this, okay, continuously without any correction, come down to the 62% exactly, then we'll go up to the 23, okay. Then after this, we'll decide either it's going to come back to test this, fall down, or it's going to bounce to break this one, and it's going to have a very strong another bull run as big as this one or even bigger. Okay, so that's the arc pattern, guys. We also offer this in the trading course. If you guys are interested in having trading course with us, you guys are most welcome. Okay. The new cryptocurrencies have been recently following the arc pattern. Okay, you may not find many people talk about this one. Okay, so many of the cryptocurrency are following the same pattern. They go from here up, then they come down to the 62, then they go up to the 23. Okay, then after this, either it's gonna come to test this one fall, or it's gonna bounce to go up, break this high and break this high, and make really strong move as big as this one, or less or more. Okay. Right now, as long as holding right here, it's right now it's below the trend line. Okay, which is not great. But as long as it's holding above the $10, you're good. You don't have much to worry about. If it does break the 10, then it may go down to $6. Okay. But technically, in the MACD, is shown started a nice up move here. In order to avoid divergence, we need to break this high the second time. So right here, let me make this bigger. To avoid divergence, the second run, it needs to be very strong. So it needs to go up here. Okay. To go up here in the MACD, it doesn't mean you're gonna go up only to this level. No, actually, you're gonna go about 35 here. So if the MACD will reach this area right there, the price of the coin is going to be around 35. Okay, so something to keep in mind also. Okay, we're gonna just do the Doge again because many people ask about it. So we discussed the Doge coin. We've had this previously, and we said that's the target right there around the 0.6 area. And you can see the target was taken really nice. Even it's nice. you can see with the yellow arrow, since it started right there, it did touch also with time. So that was also time calculated. The arrow did work very well to get right here, and that was a range before it did have a correction. Okay. Then we've had another one right there. Then we've had another one. This one we said Doge USDT points. Everybody was talking about is gonna go to $1. Okay, it was very clear. I put this one Dogecoin 0.65 target, not 1. Okay, this time, next time, yes, we're gonna go to 1. See what happened? First, it did take the first target right there. TB1 was taken really nice. Then TB1 did work as a support after it has been taken. See the price? If you use volume profile, you're gonna find this one is really heavy. Then it did go to TB2. It did take it right there. It did come to find a support right here. It did go up a little bit to break this high. But right here, the people start taking profit. People start selling. So the price starts coming back. Okay? So that was a human behavior. If I did buy right here at 0.25, which this signal was given, so the signal was given exactly at 0.25, telling you take profit at 0.65. Unbelievable. 300% gain. Okay? So if you put $10,000 within 2-3 days, this $10,000 end up being $30,000. Myself, I would take it for sure. I would sell. Okay? Right there. I don't know. Maybe our chart was the mover of the market and everybody did believe in it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. So what's going on next? So far, it's still pointing down, and the MACD is still pointing down. So what can happen? We can continue to have this this move to continue going down. So watch out from this one. The down move can continue down a little bit. Can continue down to here. See this previous support at the MACD level? Could be. What does it mean? It means that the Dogecoin can continue a little bit more right here. Then after this move down, it starts going back up. What would be the best time to buy? We watch this one right here, right here, right here, right here. Once you get like this, then will be the best time to buy. Right there, guys. I'm just gonna move this so it doesn't confuse you. Okay, so right here is going to be the best buy in this area. Here is the buy. Here we don't have this case yet. And also, if you don't pay attention, if you pay attention to this one, we have a divergence right here. Okay, where actually the price in the chart was going up. You see that the price is going up, the MACD was going down. The momentum is going down. Okay, so it was decreasing. If you consider this acceleration and that's speed, while this, it looks like it's continuing to go on forward. So the speed was actually going forward, but the acceleration was decreasing. Okay, so it's like we were going a mountain, but you're losing momentum. So you came to the top of the mountain as like bang right here. So you have to go deep a little bit, do this, more people to believe in it and start buying, then it will gain momentum again. So very important level to watch is this one right there, the 0.43556, and it has been tested. Okay. The second one important level to watch, and this could be tested, is the 0.26 right there. Okay, so this, let's put this one down so it doesn't confuse us. So we have two scenarios right here. The first one, this will come down, test this one, then go up. Let's just make this different color right here. Okay. The second scenario, this can come all the way down to here and just go up. Okay. I do believe we still need one more down. Okay. Also, if you study Elliott wave, you probably expect this down wave. That's its exact correction. One down, up, then down again. Okay. And if you measure this to be exactly ABCD formation, ABCD zigzag, then you take this from here like this. Then you take a copy right here. It lands exactly at this line. Okay, guys. So this possibly doesn't have to happen like this way, but possibly it could end up being like this. There is another scenario. This can just shoot up from here. Okay, if there is more buyer jump in, it could happen. Okay, and that's just the MACD will start after a little bit giving you a buy signal. It doesn't have to go deep down. But this scenario could happen, but much likely what we're gonna get is to test this one. If this one is holding, we're gonna bounce from here. If it's not, then we're gonna dip a little bit more down. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. It was my pleasure, and we do offer trading courses. If anyone interested in the trading course, please you can text me and we can discuss details. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you.